Watch my husky roll his eyes at me. Wait for it.
Alright, Kylo, stranger danger practice. If anyone tries to choke you out, you gotta scream, okay? So I know to come help you. Alright, you wanna practice? Okay. Good boy.
She had some peanut butter.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
Damn, boy.
We cannot escape, we cannot come out. Mama!
Hello.
Caption it, food goes here.
Babe? No. Chihuahua.
Peanut, you used to be our good kid. Why are you our problem cat now? You should get down. Thank you.
Why is it spicy?
Time to do some sketchy shit. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Hope I get away with it. Oh, da doo-dah day.